Hi, I'm Dennis Tonsing, and I'm here to present to you a brief look at what this orientation experience, How to Excel in Law School, is going to be all about. Take a look and see what you think. First, here's a bit about who I am and where I've been for the last few decades. Now we'll get into what the program is all about. The first thing to note is that the program is entirely asynchronous. You work at your own pace. The program is designed to take students somewhere between 6 and 12 hours. Much of the material is based on content found in 1000 Days to the Bar, but the practice of law begins now. You might ask, what am I looking for when I read a court opinion? The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to kind of let you in on what's going on inside my head. I would not normally read this out loud, at least not the whole case, but I will now, and I'll think from time to time out loud so you can hear the thoughts that you might have as you read a case like this. She maintains that customers cannot be expected to read every container of food they purchase in order to know that they are entering a contract. After learning about reading and briefing, you're given the opportunity to do just that with real cases that you'll likely be finding in your casebook as soon as the semester begins. One of the most frustrating aspects of being a 1L is we don't know the language in these cases. Assumption, interrogatories, complex litigation, treatise, hybrid transaction, adhesion contract, rejection, click wrap, amortization, suretyship. Whoa, that's confusing. The idea is to strive to learn the language of the law using these words I'm talking about that you can put into your lexicon. And ultimately, you will achieve fluency. At the beginning, you won't have fluency. It's kind of like a foreign language in many respects. We give you the fundamentals of how to answer an essay exam question. And doing so takes strategy and practice. We provide you with a strategy and encourage you to practice and to know the law and how to apply it. Hey, you say, this is orientation. Why are we thinking about or even talking about how to answer essay questions? My goodness, I won't have an essay question to answer until my final exam, and that's 15 weeks from now. Yes, it's all about planning and practice. And this orientation course gives you the tools for planning and practice for scoring high on essay exams. For example, we show you an essay exam. You're given the opportunity to write a response to an essay exam. We show you how to go about writing the essay exam. And then we show you a sample of a good student answer. There's another type of exam question you're likely to encounter. That's the MBE type of question, Multistate Bar Exam. How does one go about answering an MBE question? What is an MBE question? Well, we take a look at that. And even more than just taking a look at it, we provide a strategy for how to answer an MBE question. We tell you what an MBE question is, we show you what an MBE question is, and we discuss the strategy for answering an MBE question. Then you answer an MBE. But it's not all about answering the question It's about practicing. And we'll teach you how to balance your time so that you can do these practice exams balanced with the rest of your study and live your life outside of law school too. Too many law students really think they need to give up the rest of their life during law school and do nothing but study law, practice answering exam questions, going to, I was going to say group therapy, but I'm talking about study groups. No, that's not the case. And I'll tell you why. We'll demonstrate in this course about how to manage that time. I'll give you some numbers right now. There's 168 hours in your week, in my week. We all have the same number of hours. Let's say we sleep for 8 of those hours each night. 7 times 8 is 56. That's 1/3 of 168. With the other 2/3, then, spend roughly 1/2 on law school and 1/2 on the rest of your life. Let's say you cut that down a little bit and you only spend 49 hours a week on the rest of your life. That's 7 hours a day. That's quite a bit of time to socialize and do the laundry and drive to and fro. We detail how to handle this. And not only that, within those hours of study, let's call it 60 just for the heck of it, we've got a number of hours that you attend in class, roughly 15, and then the rest of the hours outside of class to study. Well, that study must be effective and efficient. Every single hour, you want to use that in a way that will hit your target. What's your target? A high grade. Usually, it means a high grade on the exam at the end of the semester. And yes, between the book and the rest of the course, we detail what these components are and how to address them. Have you heard about course outlines? You probably have. The preparation of your own course outlines for each course cannot be emphasized too much. These are critical parts of your study for the first semester, the second semester, and perhaps all through law school. We address that in the course. Take a look at this other snippet from the course. My concept here is that you're not just creating a summary like a commercial summary, but rather you're creating a summary of the course as taught to you by your professor. I'll let you in on a mistake that many law students all across the country make every year. They wait. Do not wait to begin your outlines for each substantive class that you have, like torts, contracts, criminal law. Start your outline ASAP. Yes, we all make mistakes, but if you can avoid most of the mistakes commonly made, you'll do so much better in your first year of law school. So join me. Read the book. Watch the videos. Interact. Do the assignments. It's all there. It's all there to help you to begin to become the kind of lawyer that you would hire if you needed a lawyer. Every topic is presented in a can-do, upbeat, and professional way.